If you are over 40 and simply drizzling olive oil on your salad, you are completely wasting its potential. You are missing out on the specific compound that targets arterial stiffness, dropping your testosterone potential and leaving your bedroom performance on the table. To actually unlock the raw, blood-pumping power of this liquid gold, you have to mix it with one specific, heavily overlooked ingredient. A combination so potent, it acts like a natural nitric oxide button for your circulatory system. But if you take it at the wrong time, or make the number one mistake most men commit, you destroy the active compounds completely. So what is this hidden ingredient, and how do you mix it to see a difference in your energy and vitality? To understand why this specific combination fixes sluggish circulation, you have to look at the anatomy of your blood vessels. Your arteries are not just hollow tubes, they are wrapped in a layer of smooth muscle tissue. When you are stressed, fatigued, or simply crossing the age of 40, these smooth muscles tighten up. They clamp down on your arteries, narrowing the pathway and forcing your heart to pump harder just to move blood to your vital organs and performance centers. High-quality extra virgin olive oil lays the foundation for reversing this tightness. It delivers a massive dose of oleuropein, a polyphenol that triggers your endothelium to generate nitric oxide. This gas signals the vessels to widen. But to get that blood moving with maximum force and velocity, you need to combine the oil with raw ginger. Raw ginger is packed with highly active biocompounds called gingerols and shogaols. In medical biochemistry, these compounds function similarly to natural calcium channel blockers. By modulating calcium ions within your vascular walls, ginger directly forces the smooth muscle tissue surrounding your arteries to relax and release their grip. When you mix raw ginger with extra virgin olive oil, you create a dual-action vascular expansion tool. The olive oil aggressively stimulates the production of nitric oxide to push the vessels open from the inside, while the gingerols in the ginger relax the muscles on the outside to prevent them from snapping shut. Furthermore, because the active compounds in ginger are highly fat-soluble, the healthy monounsaturated fats in the olive oil act as a biological delivery vehicle. Instead of the gingerols getting degraded by your stomach acids, the olive oil encapsulates them, allowing them to pass safely into your small intestine for rapid, maximum absorption straight into your bloodstream. The result is a highly predictable systemic drop in vascular resistance, meaning your blood can travel faster and more efficiently to where you need it most for physical stamina and responsiveness. To experience the full physical surge of this ginger and olive oil protocol, you must prepare it fresh using these exact proportions. Start with a 1-inch piece of fresh, raw ginger root. Peel the skin off and use a fine grater to shred the ginger completely into a pulp. Grating is essential because it ruptures the plant cells, instantly releasing the active ginger rolls. Immediately place 1 teaspoon of this grated ginger pulp into a small glass. Pour exactly 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil directly over it. Stir the mixture vigorously for 30 seconds to allow the fat molecules in the oil to bind with the ginger compounds. For the ultimate performance and energy boost, consume this mixture exactly 30 minutes before physical activity or bedroom performance. Alternatively, take it mid-afternoon on a relatively light stomach to break through the daytime energy crash and restore your baseline circulation. Despite how simple this sounds, most men destroy the potency of this mixture before it ever touches their lips due to 2 critical mistakes. The first mistake is juicing or boiling the ginger ahead of time. Gingerols are highly volatile and sensitive to both heat and air. If you boil ginger to make a tea and then mix it with oil, or if you buy pre-juiced ginger shot bottles from the grocery store, the active compounds have already oxidized and died. You are left with a spicy flavor but absolutely zero vascular benefits. The second mistake is taking this mixture immediately after consuming a high-fat or heavily processed meal. While the mixture thrives on the clean fats of olive oil, overloading your stomach with heavy proteins or processed carbs stalls your digestive tract. The mixture sits in your stomach too long, causing gastric irritation, acid reflux, and preventing the rapid circulation spike you are looking for. If you want to stop guessing with your nutrition and start using proven factual methods to reclaim your baseline energy after 40, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video right now so you never miss our daily breakdowns. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop your age in the comments and tell me, have you ever used raw ginger for your physical energy before, or is this your first time hearing about the smooth muscle trick? Drop your answer in the comments right now. I am personally reviewing the comments today to help you guys optimize your routine.